You need to discover the magic of making your skin feel soft and rejuvenated. Hi, I'm Shyla from Simply Earth. I'm thrilled to share another exciting DIY recipe that combines natural ingredients with a splash of holiday cheer. In this video, you'll learn how to whip up your own Jingle Java Sugar Scrub, a perfect blend that exfoliates dead skin while leaving your skin radiant and refreshed. With the refreshing scent of coffee and a shimmering touch of rose red mica powder, this scrub makes you truly indulge holiday treat. This fabulous recipe is included in Simply Earth's November 2024 Essential Oil Recipe Box. This recipe box is brimming with everything you need to create your festive sugar scrub to pamper yourself during the busy season. All these ingredients can also be found on simplyearth.com. As we enjoy the joys of the holiday season, our skin can often feel neglected, often becoming dry and tired looking. Many commercial scrubs contain harsh chemicals that can further irritate our skin, leaving us searching for a gentler, more effective alternative. Finding a natural product that provides the exfoliation and nourishment the skin needs shouldn't have to be complicated. This Jingle Java Sugar Scrub recipe is here to save the day. This delightful blend of natural ingredients slows away dead skin, revealing your radiant skin you had hiding underneath, all while being infused with the uplifting aroma of coffee. I mean, who doesn't love coffee? Comment below, are you team coffee or team tea? You'll love how the Jingle Java Sugar Scrub dramatically enhances your body care routine and envelops you in the holiday spirit, transforming your shower into a festive escape. So turn off those distractions because making is healing. So let's get going making this Jingle Java Sugar Scrub recipe from Simply Earth. Now that I have everything taken out of my recipe box and my big bonus box, let's go through what you'll need for this recipe. First, you'll need 1 tablespoon of solid coconut oil. Next, you'll need 1 teaspoon of fractionated coconut oil. This won't clog your pores and leaves your skin super smooth and moisturized. For your essential oils, you'll need 2 drops of coffee essential oil blend. This essential oil blend has an energizing aroma and it's perfect for your morning shower. Next, you'll need 3 drops of balsam fir, which helps cleanse your skin. 2 drops of mandarin essential oil, helps promote rejuvenation and youthful skin. And last but not least, you'll need 1/2 teaspoon of our rose red mica powder. This is a natural tinting powder. From your home, you'll need 1/4 cup sugar and then a 2-ounce jar of some sort. I got this from simplyearth.com. You can use anything from your home that is 2 ounces. All right, let's get started making our recipe. First, you're gonna wanna melt together your solid coconut oil and your fractionated coconut oil in a double boiler or in a microwave using short intervals. I'm gonna get that started now. 1 tablespoon solid coconut oil. 1 teaspoon of fractionated coconut oil. All right, I'm gonna pop this in the microwave for 30-second intervals and I'll be right back. All right, now that my coconut oils are melted together, let's add in our essential oils. First things first, let's add 2 drops of coffee, 3 drops of balsam fir, 2 drops of mandarin. All right, now that our essential oils are in our coconut oil, we're gonna give this a quick stir and then add in our mica powder. So we are gonna add in 1/8 teaspoon of our mica powder. Our mica powder is a natural colorant and it'll make your sugar scrub super cute. All right, now that our mica powder is into our mixture, we're gonna give this a quick stir. We're gonna add in our sugar to this mixture, stir it, and then put it into our jar. All right, let's add our mixture into our jar. You're gonna make a mess, so don't worry. Now that we have our ingredients in our jar, we're gonna go ahead and put the lid on and don't forget to label it. I love using this scrub. The blend of exfoliating sugar and essential oils makes my skin feel incredibly smooth. And the cheerful red hue adds a fun twist to my self-care ritual. You can make this too. Treat yourself to this refreshing experience. Get your November 2024 essential oil recipe box from Simply Earth and start crafting this Jingle Java Sugar Scrub today. I can't wait to see how your scrubs turn out. Share your beautiful creations on social media by tagging From Simply Earth with the hashtag #IMadeThis. Don't forget to join our hashtag #IMadeThis challenge to win a free $5 gift card to Simply Earth. Learn more in the description box below. Like and subscribe to these videos for more fun recipes just like this.